Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to delete your Netflix viewing history. This process is quite straightforward, and I'll walk you through it right now. To begin, sign into your Netflix account and navigate to your profile icon. From the menu, select Account. Once the page loads, scroll down until you find the Manage Profiles section and click on it. Next, choose the specific profile you wish to clear. For this demonstration, I'll select my first profile. Continue scrolling down and click on Viewing Activity. You will now see a list of your history. Select the Watching tab. At the bottom of the page, you have the option to hide all or download all. You can manually remove individual titles or simply click Hide All to clear the entire list. Please note that it can take up to 24 hours for these changes to reflect across the Netflix service, so the titles no longer appear as watched. That is how you clear your Netflix watch history. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing. I'll see you in the next one.